Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove email address on Facebook, Easy Guide. First, to be able to begin, just open the Facebook app onto your device. Once you're in, click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom part. Once you're already in here, just scroll down until you find in Settings and Privacy and click onto that to click on Settings. Right after that, you should be able to find in the Account Center. Click on See More in Account Center. Right after, you should be able to see your account settings in there. Just click on Personal Details. You should be able to find in Contact Info. Click onto that. Right after, click onto the email that you want to remove. Right after, there is an option to delete email. Click on Delete Email. And right after, you'll no longer be able to use this email to log in, reset your password, or receive notification. So please note as well that you may not be able to delete this email from accounts where it is the only contact method. So click on Delete again. And then right after, it will ask for your password to continue. Just click onto continue to proceed. And right after that, it should go ahead and remove that email onto your Facebook. And that is how to remove email address on Facebook, Easy Guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.